like pizza bagels, or the bagel itself, and then for you for 45 seconds. Stop it. You know what? You remove them. Microwave. Pizza sauce. About 3 tablespoons on each. Lather it around. And then you can just sprinkle your grated mozzarella. Mix around. Your bacon bits. And get that on your pizza bagels. And just pop them back in the microwave for 45 seconds. 2 minutes. Do a minute. There you go. Here's your pizza bagels. Cheese is melted pretty evenly. Pizza sauce has gone in the bagel, and you enjoy. After trying this recipe and just getting to taste it, it makes you, it kind of astonishes you how far the origins, how far from the origins we've come, from just throwing yeast and water together on fire and just hoping something bakes into something edible, to today where it's such a long history of that, just to get to something as simple as putting a pizza bagel in the microwave and just being able to enjoy it. And I can say, although it's not as good as it is in the oven, the pizza bagel is still really, it's still good. The bagel's a little more chewy. It doesn't crust. The cheese doesn't darken or get brown or like a nice crisp gold, but it's still good. It loses some of its flavor, but overall, I'd say I'd learn a lot from this, just seeing how much you can come from just nothing to something if you just throw it together, and just makes it work.